summer, we thought it might be nice to show you some recipes for making Pupsicles at home for your dog. They can be made using really simple ingredients that you probably already have in your cupboard. I've got here a fairly manky old banana, and I've got a bit of carrot, I've got a pot of peanut butter, and I've got a jar of honey. Then I've got some coconut milk and my blender, and then I've got some treats and some glasses that you're going to put your Pupsicles in to freeze. Now, just with the peanut butter, make sure you're using something that is natural, no salt added, and no xylitol, which is very, very dangerous for dogs. So something really natural for your dog. They love peanut butter, so always a good treat to use. Now, I'm going to start by simply taking my carrot and just roughly chopping it up. You don't need to do anything fancy, no peeling. You can take the ends off, chop it up, pop it in your blender with some water. And then with this, I think I'm going to add just a little bit of honey, because it just makes it a little bit sweeter. So just a teaspoon of honey. Let's stick that in. Yeah. And then just blend that up, and you'll find that it just becomes a really fun bright orange liquid. There we go. It'll take a minute. And now what we're going to do to make the handles of the Pupsicles, I've got some treats I bought from the shop, all natural. I've got some big glasses and some smaller glasses, and with this I think I'm going to use, I'll pour this in first, nice bright orange liquid. I should move that out of the way really. I'll do a big one and a small one. Might have room for a third. Should we try that? There we go. And then all you do is you pop a treat in. I've got a Woof brush here, a medium-sized one. That will fit nicely in there. And then I'm going to pop, I think, what should we put in? The lamb's tail. So we've now got a carrot, honey and lamb's tail treat, Lily's Woof brush, and how about a bladder? Really nice natural treats. So we'll leave those three there for a minute. And then the other recipe I've got is coconut milk, and I'm simply going to put some coconut into my blender, half the banana, that would seem about right. Oh, that smells ripe. And then a dollop of peanut butter. It really is good enough for you to eat. I put 2 teaspoons of peanut butter in there. This one's quite runny. Then I think I might just add a little bit of water, just so it's not too thick. And then I'm simply going to blend that one. Because banana, it doesn't take a second. Again, my little glasses. I'm sure this probably tastes delicious. And then with this one, I've got a braided pizzle. That's a braided buffalo pizzle. And then I've got buffalo hide. And then that one is ostrich.